These are almost same.
These are almost the same, but
this is brown and black.
This one
is brown and black.
This one is brown.
And
can you repeat? This one is brown.
This one is brown.
And this one
is black.
So today it's a Tuesday. It's a weekday afternoon. Kento is all done with his online learning, distance learning, and he's all done with his homework. So we're doing some online learning that was recommended by his teacher. And this is an online application for math. So I'm talking to him in English, and he mostly responds in Japanese right now.
Raw 3 strawberries.
So it's our first time using this, what is it called? This program is called Zern.
Give dog 5 oranges.
Kento, wait a second. Can I move the screen? Kento, can you hold on a second? Okay, so this happy face is saying, give dog 5 oranges. Do you have 5 oranges?
Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Give pig 3 apples.
So far this is pretty easy for him, and it's interactive and fun, so he likes
Give
it.
fox 2 oranges.
You want to do it again? How do you ask?
Can I do it this?
Can I do this again? Can you say it? Can I do this?
Can I do it this?
Can I do this again? Can I do this again?
Can I do this again?
Yes. So Zern is fun. Kento, did you like that? Yeah, Zern is fun. Don't press any random buttons. We're not gonna eat yet. I'm gonna ask each of you a question. So what did you do today?
I studied.
You studied. What did you study?
Science.
Science. What are you learning?
I learned teamwork.
You learned about teamwork in science?
Yeah.
So Kento, I'll ask you a question. What did you learn today? Or what did you do today? Yeah, you had a meeting. And you had a meeting with your class and your teacher, right? What's your teacher's name?
Miss Huey.
Yes, Miss Huey. She's a great teacher. I like her. Yeah. Is it fun? So we're gonna have snack. And are you all done with your homework?
Yes.
Yes. You did a wow job?
Yes.
Yeah, you did good. And so Rena, what did you do today?
I did math.
Did math? What are you doing in math?
We made a graph.
Oh, you made a graph. So are you learning about X and Y axis?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it fun? Kinda. Do you use graph paper or just regular paper?
Regular paper.
Oh, regular paper. Do you use a ruler?
No.
No. So you just write X and Y axis just by hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I eat?
Yeah, it's snack time. Can you tell us what you're having? What are you eating? Cheese. Yes, you're correct. We're having wisps. I can't really say it. So what does this taste like?
Cheese.
Yeah, it's cheese, Parmesan. It's just cheese that's baked. And what's the other thing? These
Peanut
are,
butter.
these are peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets from Trader Joe's. So inside there's peanut butter and outside it's a pretzel nugget. Do you know why you call this a nugget? Pretzel nugget?
It's shaped.
It's shaped like a nugget, not chicken nugget. A nugget is a shape that's like this, sort of roundish thing.
Chicken nugget.
It's no, that's not chicken nugget. And we're having nectarines from the farmer's market and strawberries for Rena and none for Kento because Kento says he doesn't like berries. So we're having snack, we finished all our work, and then we're gonna head out and play a little outside. So this is our English talking time.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
When we do have time that afternoon, we like to go outside. And both kids are super happy because Kento is able to play with his dolls. I guess he's into Elsa again? Maybe? But what is Elsa doing, Kento? Did she fall? No, she didn't fall. She seems like she's dead or asleep. Is she sleeping? No. What is she doing? Oh. Oh, she's hanging on because the wind is strong? I think that's a great idea. And another Elsa doing the same thing.